Earning $50, $100, or even $300 per day with Google AdSense and websites can be done from a home office. Many website owners are doing it. You only need planning, work, determination, and passion for your topic or niche. Welcome back to our channel. We compile the latest business world news for you to keep up to date with. Our videos are guaranteed to keep you coming back for more insightful and amazing content. So make sure to subscribe to the channel so you are always up to date with our latest uploads. And so, without further ado, let's start with today's video. Using Google AdSense and Google websites to monetize your website or app traffic with display ads is one of the most effective monetization ways. But even though it's a relatively simple concept, you need to understand some specifics for success. Adsense is an ad network that connects advisors as well as publishers. The publishers connect their websites to the ad network and then allow advertisers to bid for displaying their advertisements on those websites. If a website visitor views or clicks on an ad, the publisher gets paid a specific part of the advertiser's bid for the ad. Then, Google takes the difference as the fee. Furthermore, Google is very particular about who they allow into their advertisement network. They also want to keep the quality of websites high and maintain the integrity of their advertisement network. There are some simple requirements every publisher needs to follow. It would help if you were 18 years old, have an active Gmail account that's not linked to an AdSense account, and have a website which meets all of Google's terms of service. You will need to comply with the Google program policies. At the same time, we also recommend you use a few additional requirements to ensure that you get accepted. This will include having a website with at least 30 pages of unique content 3 months old and generating a little bit of traffic. The more traffic your website generates, your earning potential will be better and higher. You can make money using these websites. If you aren't comfortable with creating your own content, the next best type of website to generate your AdSense revenue is through a forum. Forums are places people go to discuss particular topics. For instance, the following is catforum.com, a website dedicated to cat lovers worldwide and monetized with AdSense. This is a highly active forum with more than 1 million posts and over 49,000 members. All non-paying members of the website will see Google AdSense ads when they come to log in and throughout their visit in the discussions. Moreover, when it comes to forums, you'll have to create content first, but instead of lengthy blog content, you'll have to create discussions and find people to start interacting with you in those discussions. Then, with time, more people will join to discuss the topic of focus, and your visitors will start clicking on ads related to that topic. Just be sure to review particular AdSense policies related to user-generated content. As opposed to websites where there are a couple of pages with content that barely changes, blogs are websites where you and others whose content you will also be responsible for in terms of Google AdSense policies will add new content regularly. For blogs, the frequency can be anywhere from hourly to monthly. This depends on multiple factors, including the number of contributors and the amount of time the editors and owners have to review and publish content. Popular blogs such as The Daily Dot use AdSense to monetize their visitors, contributing to about 5 to 10 million impressions per month. They place AdSense banners in various areas throughout their site, including in the header, blog footer, and even between top posts, listings in each category. Finally, creating a site with a free online tool is another way to earn AdSense money for developers or those who have the accounts to hire developers. These free online tools can become hugely popular, especially if you can find the right target audience to use them and have them recommend them to their community. Take gifmaker.me, for example. This website has a free online tool that allows you to create GIFs, becoming popular on social media. When creating a free GIF, the website visitor is shown several AdSense ads at the top of the site and in the sidebars. If your free online tool site is ranked #1 for your target keyword, you could make your funding in developing a free online tool worth it with your Google AdSense revenue. The 3 factors to successfully monetizing your website are the following. No matter which type of site you use for AdSense, you have to make sure that the title you choose for your forum, blog, or free online tool is something that visitors will be interested in and something they will search for. You can even use Google's AdWords Keyword Planner tool to see if a topic you are thinking about is popular between Google search users. For instance, GIF Maker gets 110,000 average monthly searches, which attributes to their over 1 million visitors per month. You'll want to make sure that keyword is used in appropriate places on your site as well. Moreover, you can promote your forum, blog, or tool to get the visitors you need to view your content, engage in discussion, and use your tool. By boosting your site, you will help it get social media shares as well as valuable backlinks, and the latter of which will help your website rank well in search engines. Making money with AdSense requires a plan. Here are some tips for maximizing AdSense revenue. Read and adhere to Google's rules. The webmasters must comply with Google's webmaster policies and the AdSense program policy. Remember, Google is not very forgiving about rules being broken, so be sure to follow them. Never click on your own advertisements or ask people to click on them. Incentivizing clicks or using a program designed to drive traffic to AdSense pages are against the rules. Use simple, organic traffic building website marketing techniques. Make sure your website is optimized for phone users, as the number of people who use mobile devices is high. Also, max out your ad placement. You are allowed 3 standard ad placements per page. Use them all for maximum benefit. And make sure you're using responsive ads so Google can send appropriate ad sizes to mobile devices viewing your site. Include in-content ads for visibility. This means having ads within your articles and increasing clicks because they will be seen while reading the post. Have a leaderboard ad below your logo. And instead of putting an ad at the very top of the page, place it near your logo, where it's more likely to be noticed. Google pays through direct deposit or checks each month your earnings exceed $100. If you don't earn $100 in a month, your profits roll over and are added to the next month. Every time you reach the $100 threshold, Google will issue a payment on the next payment period. Through your AdSense account, you can see your current earnings, what ads generate the most clicks, and other helpful data. There are thousands of ways to earn money from a blog or a website. However, many require that you have significant traffic before you make money. This is where Google AdSense is a great beginner monetization option. You don't have to create anything. You can join the day you start your blog or website. It's free and easy to add the ad code to your website. Success does not happen overnight. You should give the system time to adapt and show you its long-term potential. It could take at least a couple of weeks for the numbers to start climbing if you are doing the right things. Doing the right things means your ads are highly viewable, you comply with the policies, you publish high-quality, engaging content, which results in longer session duration. You make changes and monitor the impact on performance, and you don't flood your site with too many ads. Well, that is all we have for you today. What are your thoughts on this? Let us know in the comments down below. If you enjoyed today's video and found it interesting, then make sure to leave us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to be updated with the most exciting content as soon as it's uploaded. Thank you for watching. We'll see you again soon in another video.